and welcome. I am Principal Johnson, Principal of Seminole Trails Elementary School, and we want to welcome you to our first trimester awards assembly. Thank you for being here today. At this time, I want to thank Ms. Bush, our assistant principal, for organizing this event. Let's give Ms. Bush a round of applause. Thank you to our teachers and all staff. At this time, I would like to welcome Ms. Bush up to the stage.
Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to our first grade awards assembly, trimester 1. We're going to go through 4 awards today. We're going to go through our perfect attendance, our positive Panthers, because we're the Panthers, so we're positive Panthers. And we're going to go through our honor roll and our principal's honor roll as well. Before we get started, we're going to start with our pledge. That's going to be the first thing that we do. We're going to start with the pledge. I have all my Panthers stand for our pledge this morning. And Ms. Bush is going to start off. Right? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Here is our agenda. Like I said, we started with our welcome, our pledge, and then now we're going to call the awards. Ms. Chalmers, you can come up.
Good morning. For perfect attendance, we have Julie's. Positive award goes to Julie's again. Also, Christopher. Our honor roll award goes to James. Julie. And Benji.
Everyone's going to come down. If parents want to come up really quickly. Say cheese. Represent her awards for her class, Ms. Reed.
All right, good morning, everyone. For awards today, we have Positive Panther for Kason Matlock. For our next Positive Panther award, we have Samuel Pierre.
And that is Ms. Reed's award. We're going to give it here, Samuel. You can go down there and take your picture. Okay.
Okay, good morning. Perfect attendance goes to Legend. I have Positive Panther going to Layla and Muhammad. Academic honor roll, Sine, Glorious, Edna, Braylon, Alexis, Claire, Principal honor roll, going to London, Mason, and Legends.
Parking attendants, positive attendance, honor roll, which is
For perfect attendance, we have Loudly, Jefferson, Steph,
and this is perfect attendance for Miss Coralot's class.
Positive Panther, I have Esther, and Justin.
Hold it up.
Loudly, Jefferson, Jeremiah, Steph, and Allison. Congratulations, you guys.
Principal's honor roll as well as
And Sky.
remember Panthers. We want to make sure we hear the name, so everybody give me 5. We want to make sure.
For Positive Panther, we have Brandon and Skylee. Sky, Brandon, Renee, Esna, Lila, Kara, Anaya, Andrea, Misael, Aria Williams, Jackson Williams, and then Bobby. And Joseph. And Nathan.
Pause for the seniors.
All right, Panthers, let's give all of our Panthers a round of applause. Panthers, show me 5. I love how my Panthers are sitting in their seat. Voice level 0, hard for your rewards. Awesome, awesome job. Thank you to our amazing teachers for your hard work and to our parents as well. We're going to begin to dismiss our students. First, our first graders, some of them have a field trip today.